Hello everyone, my name is Hadi, and in this video I'm gonna talk about factoring a trinomial with the format of x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, as you see, this is a trinomial because we have three terms and we have one perfect square, which is x squared. We have one constant, which is c, and the b is the coefficient of the middle term. The coefficient of x squared is 1. Always in this format of factoring, the coefficient of the perfect square is 1. The general format x squared plus bx plus c. We want to see how we can factor this type of trinomials. I'm going to use an example. Let's use this one. X squared plus 8x plus 12. I want to factor this one. In the first look, there is nothing common between these three terms. Remember, always pay attention and look. If there was something in common, take it out first, because the next step is make it easier. Not all the trinomial always is factorable. Sometimes they are not factorable. But as you see, the coefficient of x squared is 1, and we have 8x plus 12. For factoring this type of trinomial, first open two brackets. The first step, open two brackets. The first term of a bracket is the square root of this perfect square. A square root of x squared is going to be x. So the first term is going to be x. For finding the next terms, okay, the next term of this one and next term of this one, we have to find two numbers. Then when we multiply these two numbers, the result should be 12 or positive 12. And when we add these two numbers, the result should be positive 8. Okay. As you see, when we are multiplying these two numbers, the result should be c, or in this case, positive 12. When we are adding these two numbers that we are going, the result should be positive 8 or b. Okay. How we can find the number? Sometimes the numbers come to your mind instantly, or very quickly we can find two numbers. If the number doesn't come to your mind, just find all factors of 12. Let's say I'm not finding the number is not coming to my mind. Find all factors of 12. I taught you in one of the videos that how we can find all factors organizedly, that we don't miss any of the factors. So if I want to find all factors of 12, 12 is equal to 1 multiplied by 12. Remember, when we are finding all factors, 1 and the same number is always one of the factors. Okay? And the other one, 12, is the even number, so it is 2 times 6. And as you see, 2 plus 6 give me this 8. All of this number, if I multiply them, give me this 12. But I keep an eye to see which of them, when I'm adding, give me this 8. And it's going to be 2 and 6. So one of the number is 2, the other one is 6. So plus 2 and plus 6. 2 times 6 is 12, and plus 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. So put one of the numbers here, plus 2, the other one here, plus 6. It doesn't matter if I put 6 here, 2 here, or 2 here, 6 here. It's going to end up to this, it's going to be the same answer. So the result is x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 6. Okay? This is the method of factoring trinomial, which is going to be very easy. Always open two brackets. The first term is going to be the square root of the perfect square. The second term, when we multiply them, should give us 12 or this c. When we add them, it should give us this positive 8 or b. Let's do another example. X squared minus 7x plus 10. X squared minus 7x plus 10. Okay, again, it's trinomial, coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is negative 7, c is positive 10. For factoring, open two brackets. The first term of the bracket is x. The second term, we should find two numbers. When we multiply them, the result should be 10, positive 10, and when we add them, the result should be negative 7. So, what are those numbers? If the number doesn't come to your mind, just find all factors of 10, which is 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. As you see, 2 times 5 give me 10 and 2 plus 5 give me 7. But I'm looking for negative 7, not 7. So, because this multiplication sign is positive, it means they should have both same number. Because positive times positive give me positive and negative times negative give me positive. So when this sign is positive, it means these numbers 2 and 5 should have same number. And when this addition is negative, so it means both of them should be negative. Negative 2 times negative 5 give me positive 10. Negative 2 plus negative 5 gives me negative 7. So put one of the numbers here, negative 2, and the other one here, negative 5. That's it. We factor this trinomial. Another example. Four y cubed minus 4y squared minus 24y. Okay. Again, it's a trinomial. We want to factor in, but as you see, we have cube. What was the general format? X squared plus bx plus c. But if you look at this one, 4, 4, 24. Between these numbers, we can factor from 4. And we have y, y, y. So we can factor from y, the lowest exponent is y. It means we can factor from 4y. Then it's going to be y cubed, y squared, minus y, minus 6. Okay? Is y squared, y, and this one gonna be 6. Now, is in the format that we need. X squared minus b plus bx plus c. Now, write this 4y, then open two brackets. The first term is gonna be 1. The second term, we should find two numbers, multiply them, get negative 6, and add them, get negative 1. Right? Negative 1 and negative 6. What are those numbers? Is 2 and 3, because if we factor, it's going to be 2 and 3. Look at here. 2 times 3 is 6, but we are looking for negative 6. Because this sign is negative, it means these two should have different sign. Because if they have the same sign, this one should be positive. Because this one is negative, it means they should have different sign. And because this addition is negative, the result is negative 1. It means bigger number should have negative sign. The sign of the bigger number should be matched with this one. So it's going to be negative 3 and positive 2. Now we can check it. Positive 2 times negative 3 give us negative 6. Positive 2 plus negative 3 give us negative 1. So these numbers are working. Put one of them here, plus 2, the other one here, minus 3. So we factor this trinomial, and this is going to be the result. One more thing that maybe you can see. Let me just this example. Let's use this example. 5x squared plus 60xy plus 100y squared plus 100y squared. Okay, as you see, 5, 60 and 100, all of these one are divisible by 5, but 5 is the only number that we can factor. Factor from 5 first, then it's going to be x squared plus 12xy plus 20y squared. Okay, now if we compare this one, this y squared is not matched with this one, x squared plus bx plus c. Can you see? In the general format, this c is a constant, but in this one we have y squared, and at the middle is bx, but we have this y extra. In this type of thing, just in this type of expression, ignore this y at the beginning. Okay, so keep this 5 and open 2 brackets. The first term of the bracket is x square root of this one. Then we have to find 2 numbers. When we multiply them, get 20y squared. When I add them, it's going to be 12y. 12y, because this x is here. 12y when I add them, 20y squared when I multiply them. As I told you, I can ignore this y for now. I have to find 2 numbers. When I multiply them, get 20. When I add them, get 12. Okay? When I multiply them, get 20. When I add them, get 12. If you find the number comes to your mind, is fine. Otherwise, write all factors of 20. I can write 20 as 1 times 20, 2 times 10. Right? I can keep going, 4 times 5. But 2 times 10, if I add 2 and 10, give me this 12. So it means I don't need to continue. Okay? One of the numbers are 2. The other number is 10. Now, because of this y, just add the y here. Is 2y and 10y. Now we can check. 2y times 10y give me 20y squared, and 2y plus 10y give me this 12y. So one of them is here plus 2y, the other one is here plus 10y. Okay, so we are done, and this is the result. I just use this example that if you see this type of expression, don't panic, don't get confused. First, always take out any common factor that we have between the terms. Then if you have this type of thing, y squared and y, just ignore the y, find the numbers and put in the brackets. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learn from this video, and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye for now.